You may just be the reason you're overpaying your taxes. Can't blame your financial advisor, can't blame your CPA, can't blame a spouse. It just might be you. Hi there. My name is Kenneth French. I'm with Vast Solutions Group. We are the tax and financial engineering firm for small business owners. We are darn good at what we do. We have clients all the way from the Northeast up in New York State, Florida, Southern California, Washington. We have consultants all over the country who are helped and prepared to help small business owners in preparing for retirement, doing one thing mainly, and that's helping to mitigate taxes. Now, why are so many people overpaying their taxes? Because they're overlooking deductions. It might not be the advisor's issue. It might be you. You're the chief component and the chief cheerleader for your tax situation. Being a small business owner isn't easy. After all, balancing payroll, managing employees, drawing up marketing plans and handling the bookkeeping, it can be pretty stressful. Luckily, the IRS allows small business owners to take some surprising deductions, which may actually help. And hopefully you're going to listen and learn a little bit more as to what potentially you're overlooking in the way of business deductions. Remember the information in this material is not intended as tax or legal advice. It may be used for, illustrative purposes. You need to consult an individual, either us or someone else who's certified and understands exactly what you should be doing in the way of mitigating your tax. Employ your personal cell phone. Believe it or not, some people don't know. The IRS allows small business owners to deduct the cost of the time spent on business calls made while using your personal mobile device. The key is to make sure, you keep an itemized monthly bill for your records. Assuming an $80 per month phone bill and a 50% deduction as an example, you may be able to deduct $480 from your state and federal tax returns. The best way to track your business call time, try using a separate number for your business, which automatically routes to your phone as an example. This way it will be easy to see your personal use versus otherwise. Now, it's surprising that a lot of people don't realize that, but that's believe it or not, an overlooked deduction that's worth noting. Putting your home to work. If you use your home part-time for business, you may be able to deduct some of those expenses. These can include a portion of your home as well, insurance and utilities. However, there are some conditions that must be met to claim these deductions. Now, first, the portion of your home you can claim for business use must be exclusively in use by your company. Second, the part of your home used by your company must either be your principal place of business or, a place to meet with customers, etc., or a separate structure used in connection with your business. Hold meetings over a meal. If you and your employees have meetings, consider having them over a meal. As long as, the dining is, the experience is truly reasonable, it might make sense. You might be able to deduct that as well. It seems like it's a small advantage, but consider this. If you manage to have a business lunch every day for, $10 a day, you can deduct $5 of that expense, which could amount to over $1,200 a year in claimable deductions. Deduct and fly for free. Many small business owners believe they can reduce travel costs by using the miles they earn through a qualifying credit card to pay for a next business flight, as an example. Since the travel costs for businesses may be fully deductible, however, that's something to think about. Ends up being potentially an expensive flight if you use your miles. Well, so what's another thought? What's another thought that may impact your taxes that you're not thinking about? By the way, going back to air travel, depending on your air travel expenses, your income tax rate, and the number of miles you may be able to accrue in a year, this could save a ton of money. It's just worth thinking about. Now, I'm only going to give I just want to take a couple of moments to help explain a little bit about the things that are sometimes overlooked, and hopefully these items won't be overlooked. There are a number of items here that we have not gone into, obviously. If you're interested, please check us out on the web at www.vastsolutionsgroup.com or give us a call at 888-808-8278. We'd be so happy if we can help you in some way. And if there's some way we can help you or a friend, we feel that much better that they're and you are in better shape. Thanks for taking the time to listen to this audio. Hopefully in some way, some shape, some form, it was helpful.